Got this car like 3 months ago. I think it all sounds really good, especially you get on it. A lot of people give the thumbs up on the exhaust. The only bad thing about this exhaust, you might have to upgrade the bushing hangers. If you don't, it's just gonna keep on moving up and down when you hit bumps. It's the only thing you have to change, like modify it when you install this exhaust. Man, this car looks so good. Always makes me smile, and I have a WRX too. Oh, of course, this car's better. Inside's a little dirty, but you guys seen the interior of the Type R. Oh shit. You guys see that wrong. Nothing crazy. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys around with the exhaust. So that was the drive. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I have more mods coming through and more videos of the Type R. So I'm still debating on getting springs. I just don't want to mess with it and then not like the ride of the car. So I'm a little worried about that. So the ride is amazing. I love the handling of the car. I just worried that if I do replace the springs for lowering springs, it's just gonna change the car and I'm not gonna like it. So I'm still debating. I have other mods coming through. I'm thinking about doing downpipe. That's what I want to do, the downpipe. It'll get a little louder, the car. Most likely catted. I was going to do not catted, but have to tune it and stuff. I actually was looking at tuning like off-the-shelf ones. But yeah, we'll see when the days go by and I get to order them. But most likely I'm going to do downpipe next.